I'm gonna clean my gutters out from the ground using this. And all of these. So all of these connect to the blower. Twist on like that until it's 2.7 meters long, and then this goes on the end. I'm a bit scared the whole thing is just gonna fall apart when I pick it up. It's actually pretty easy to handle. It almost just fell apart. Just realised I meant to take this bit off. That's better. Just makes it 2.4 meters. So the attachment for the Ego blower costs $130. That's quite sturdy as well. You do need to have the Ego blower for it to connect into properly. I just jumped up on my roof and unfortunately my gutters are pretty clean. I wanted to get some cool shots of blowing all these leaves out. That's quite impressive. It does work quite well.